Hello and welcome to the Nerd Cave Remote Technical Support video channel. Today I want to show you a little trick I learned some years ago because I wanted access to certain applications that weren't available by default. Also, I should probably clear up the term default. Default is basically settings which a computer will fall back on, and it just picked up the term default. So when you accept default settings, you accept the settings that are already available to you. Anyway, so the Windows File Explorer didn't have a default function for some of the programs I wanted to open files in, so I learned a way to do that, and I want to show you how to do it real quick. If you open the File Explorer, and up here in the address bar, you type shell sendto. It'll give you the list of sendto options. For example, if I right-click something, there's always a sendto item available here, and you'll see the items here are also the items up here. So if I want to add something, let's say, let's go to Windows Accessories, Notepad. I can drag that over to the sendto folder, and there's Notepad. Now, when I'm fooling around in Windows Explorer and I want to examine a text file, for example, I can right-click it, go to sendto, and then hit Notepad, and then it'll open it. Now you can see this is Microsoft compatible file format, and so it doesn't wrap the words like it's supposed to. It doesn't wrap the line endings is the problem. So I want to send to something else, so let's try this. Now I want to use, see, I think it's under G, yeah, Genie. Let's drag that over. Let's go back to my downloads folder and try that file again. Send to Genie. Now we've got a nice, properly formatted file that I can examine. That's a handy feature. You can use that with just about anything. I just drag a link in there. I don't have to drag the entire program. If you notice, these are all, they have little shortcut icons in the corner of the main icon. That means it's just a link to the program. And that's a handy feature I thought you might like. That's it for this video. I hope it helped you out. Make sure you visit our website, www.the-nerdcave.com, and tell your friends about me. I'd love to hear from them. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.